Now we'll go ahead and run a demonstration. We'll begin with the installation of the software. And where you can obtain the software is one of two places. Currently, the best place to obtain it is on our GitHub website. That's available right here at github.com/quantumbio, and it's within the Mo DivCon project. And then from there, you go ahead and you choose GridMarkets. And this URL, of course, is also available on the GridMarkets website on a direct link as well. Under here, you could, of course, go ahead and clone the directory. That would be the way to get the most up-to-date code on a day-to-day basis. But of course, we also provide releases and release tags that are associated with the software. In there, you go ahead and hit the release, and you go down to where the assets are available, and you download the source code. Both the zip version for Windows is available, and then also, of course, the version for Linux and Mac is available under tar. Once you have downloaded that should only take a second. We'll go ahead and come over to the demo directory, and we'll go ahead and install that tarball. To do that, it's under my downloads directory. Grab the Mo DivCon GM. In this case, it's 0.2.tar.gz. Of course, in the future, that would go up in number. And you bring that over into whatever directory you'd like to install it. We'll go ahead and uninstall or untar it. And now this now has all of the software that was over on GitHub. So again, it's a single install. You grab all of the files that way. In order to install it into Mo, then we have to go into our ~mo files directory, or our home Mo files directory. Within there, you'll see another set of files that are effectively the ones that are installed by CCG when you install Mo. We go into the menu directory, and if that directory is not there, just go ahead and make it. And you can create a link, or you can copy it over. I generally make a link, only because that way I can just update the software in the future, and then you have a single install. And that is also in the menu directory. And we'll go ahead and just make that here. Now you can see that this file is now available within my menu directory, within my Mo files directory, within my home directory. Now that will add the menu to the Mo interface. Over in the SVL directory, which is also over in Mo files/SVL, we'll go ahead and make a link there too. And in that case, there's just an SVL directory, and we'll call that, just in case you have something else that's in there, we'll go ahead and call that something. In this case, I'll just call it qb.svl. And that again has a link. Now, again, I do this in a way that these links, then I can just update them as I wish. And that just makes it a little easier to update going forward. Back into the demo directory. Now, once I've completed the installation process, once I start Mo, then you would be able to see all of these installed packages available.